Hi everyone, as you can see I am cleaning stuff on my desk right now, which is because I am planning to build my first gaming PC and replace this old one right here. Although the budget I have for the rig is not really that expensive, so I have to look for affordable yet reliable specifications which could suffice my gaming and editing experience up to this day. So yeah, let's build a budget gaming PC. So first of all, I have this dual chamber case from our local store here. It is pretty an affordable one since I got this for only $18. I mean, it's actually cheap than it looks. It has also white variant, but I got this one because I bought my fans in black. So next is the motherboard. This one is from my old PC. Just disassembled it so I could save a penny. Well, it still works properly, so I don't have any reasons not to use this again. Plus, this is... And here comes the CPU. This is a Ryzen 5 2600. I chose this because it's much cheaper than the 3600. It also comes with a fan too, so a really good buy for just $48. For the RAM, well, I might use as well the one from my old PC. It's an 8GB DDR4 with a 3200MHz speed from a Taiwanese company, I think. I'm not sure. It's not really bad actually, but I want to sell this and buy a new one. And of course, the power supply, one of the most essential part for a PC build. Well, to be honest, this is actually a cheap one, but it's 80 plus certified, so it's better than the generic one from my old PC. Got this one for $36 I guess, and I hope it will be enough for my build and won't face any problem with it. So please don't explode. For storage, I have my old 3.5-inch 500GB hard disk from Western Digital, plus a 2.5-inch 500GB hard disk from HDSD, 120GB SSD from a not so famous company, I don't know where it came, and my brand new 500GB nvme from PNY. This costs like $20, so basically it is another steal. For the fans, I go with an argb fans from Logitech. Yeah, this cost me around $18 for all the 5 fans. And lastly, the most expensive part of the build, I got a Galax GTX 1063GB for only $65 from an online store here in the country. Though it's pretty old, I was convinced to get this rather than the RX 580 since this one has a lower TDP, which is a big deal for me. And now for the moment of truth. By the way, I didn't put back the glass of the case in case of something went wrong. And unfortunately, I was right. On first boot, the PC doesn't show any display at all. I tried troubleshooting it by checking cables, checking the graphics card, and even cleaning the newly bought ROM. On the second boot, it shows the same problem, no display at all. I was really worried at this time since all my hardware was like put into trash and my mom will be mad at me that she might curse my whole existence. But anyway, long story short, my friend helped me to fix the problem by updating the BIOS of the motherboard, and now it works well, and I was able to install Windows 11 and managed to install most of my apps as well. I got some of my games too, especially Valorant, which is one of the reasons why I built this rig. Surprisingly, I got a pretty decent FPS in the high settings, so no complaints at all. I also tried to run Pokemon games, which I really wanted to play for a long time. And yeah, this build is not so much expensive and powerful, but it can provide me enough to do my tasks like coding, video editing and stuff, and as well as for some light gaming. And I guess that's pretty much all for now. I'm sorry I didn't manage to upload these earlier last year. I was just caught up with the finals and some personal stuffs. So yeah, thank you all to all my subscribers and viewers. I really appreciate you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.